Hello, and welcome to Effects. Thank you so much for joining us today. We have a lot of updates that we're really excited to share with you shortly. In speaking with many of our customers, it's clear that the optimism and the energy in fintech is back. And I see it across all types and sizes of companies. From the very smallest, where we're seeing 65% more startups launching products powered by Plaid than we did just 12 months ago, to the very largest, where we're seeing major lenders and banks like Rocket and Citibank invest heavily in building out digital-first financial services with Plaid. We even see fintech optimism in companies that are not historically fintech companies, for example, in prop tech, with companies such as RealPage. And in the automotive industry, the leading direct-to-consumer car companies are investing in digital finance capabilities, as well as car sellers, such as Carvana. The fintechification of everything is happening everywhere. All of this growth is leading to consumers engaging with fintech more than they ever have before. We now see users linking an account to a Plaid-powered service 6 times every second. That's over 15.5 million accounts connected every month across all the incredible products that our customers have built. The growth of fintech is only going to accelerate. According to a recent Federal Reserve study, consumer demand for lending is expected to increase substantially throughout the rest of the year. According to the Merchant Risk Council, adopting bank-linked payments is now the #2 priority for merchants. And this fall, the CFPB's 1033 rule that strengthens a consumer's financial data right is expected to be codified into law. This will accelerate the shift towards open banking in the US and be a significant tailwind for the entire fintech industry globally. All this opportunity ahead also brings challenges. In a more complex landscape, it is increasingly difficult to manage risk. And in a world with AI and deepfakes, it is much harder to tackle fraud. I spend a lot of my time talking to our customers, and you often tell me about the different challenges that you face. You want to remove friction from your onboarding process, but you're also worried about fraudsters getting through. You want to expand the number of customers that you can sell your products to, but you're also worried about taking on users that are outside of your traditional risk models. You want to lower the cost of accepting payments, but you care about maintaining a high conversion rate, and you're worried about settlement risks. In short, you want to reduce friction while avoiding risk. Plaid is uniquely positioned to help you resolve this tension and to onboard more good users while keeping your risk levels low. For any individual fintech company, it's hard to assess the risk that a new user will create if you've never seen them before. You could, of course, build a model to try to do that, but the fact remains that you often have limited data on each person the first time you see them. It's hard to address fraud when you can't see a user's history and how they have interacted with many services in the past. But Plaid can address these challenges in a way that nobody else can, because Plaid is a network. Plaid is a network that has connected over 100 million consumers across 12,000 financial institutions and data partners to thousands of different fintech products. When using Plaid, you can access insights that no other platform can provide. Today, we're going to talk about how data and insights from our network can create the highest converting, most secure user experience. We can now accelerate onboarding by pairing trusted data from the Plaid network with other verified data sources so that your users can onboard in just one click with a very safe and secure process. We can help you expand the pool of borrowers that you lend to through the use of cash flow data and network-informed risk analysis so that you can make smarter lending decisions with more data available to you. The Plaid network allows us to offer individual account-level fraud signals, as well as fraud reports that our customers are contributing back into the Plaid network to give you a network-wide view of fraud indications. We can make bank payments into a credible substitute for credit cards by using network-based models to reduce settlement risk and create a seamless user experience that gets better with each payment that each user makes. Plaid network connections can provide fraud and risk signals that get more informed as more consumers use Plaid to connect to more of the services our customers provide. When you build with Plaid, the services that you are using get better every single day, without you needing to do anything at all. Every product and feature that you'll hear about today is made better for you and your users by data and insights from the Plaid network. As your services expand globally, Plaid is right there ready to help you as well, so that you can have one partner across all of your global needs, across oceans and across borders. Today, we service the US, Canada, the UK, and 17 other countries throughout Europe, including the Nordics. And major companies with global footprints like Fair, Western Union, Capital on Tap, Kraken, and many more are all using Plaid to power their transatlantic services. Our ecosystem of partners is global too. We doubled the size of our partner ecosystem over the past year, bringing the total to over 300 across payments, credit, digital banking, systems integrators, and many more, including payments provider Adyen, who you're going to hear a lot more from a little bit later today. I'm so inspired by what all of you are building. You've created a movement out of fintech that is reshaping the global financial services industry. Our role at Plaid is to be there to support you every step of the way. We're thinking every single day about how our platform will allow you to capture the full opportunity of this unique moment and all the growth that's ahead. This is such a vibrant community of builders doing incredible things, and we're excited to be your partner on this journey. Now, let's dive in.
I'm thrilled to be here today to share with you what we've built and a glimpse of where we're going to keep driving your business and the industry forward. Just last week, I paid my dog walker with a few clicks on my phone. It never ceases to blow my mind how easy these things are today. That's because of all of the incredible products you have built. You are making people's lives better, and we could not be prouder to be your partner. To help even more people benefit from all of the great products you've built, we continue to invest heavily in our core account connectivity capabilities so that no matter where consumers bank, they can fund their accounts, move money, and verify their identities and income seamlessly. They do that via Plaid Link. And today, Link is used by more than 1 in 3 Americans. We deliver industry-leading coverage across 12,000 financial institutions and are constantly adding more. And over the years, we've pushed the industry towards a more reliable API-first connection. And now a vast majority of our traffic today is on OAuth and bank APIs. We've also pushed the industry ahead with our core exchange product, which makes it easier for any institution, no matter how large or small, to build their own APIs to plug straight into our network. Core Exchange has made API-first access possible for over 7,000 financial institutions. We're constantly building and delivering new products on top of this powerful network so that you can continue to innovate and bring incredible experiences to your customers. The products we build are based on your feedback, your roadmaps, and your challenges. Last year, that led to a ton of new products, features, and improvements shipping across our entire platform. Here are 3. First, to help make it easier for you to reach more users more quickly, we introduced low-code capabilities like fully hosted versions of our account linking and identity verification. This makes it easy for you to offer link and identity verification via a simple URL. No front-end app or integration work is required. Second, to help you take advantage of new, lower-cost instant payment rails, we enabled both RTP and FedNow for payouts directly with Plaid Transfer. Finally, Plaid Signal is our solution to help you better manage ACH risk. We've added new capabilities to help you more easily manage risk outputs via the Plaid dashboard. Our new AI-powered rule builder makes it possible for data scientists and mere mortals to configure your risk threshold. These just scratch the surface of what we've delivered. As I mentioned before, your feedback shapes our roadmap, so please keep it coming. Breadth and depth of our data platform is just a part of the equation. You also want to turn interested consumers to loyal customers, and that's conversion. Every incremental improvement we make to Link means more users for your business, so we obsess over every detail to help you improve conversion. But we're not done. Just as we built the standard in account linking for fintech, today we're bringing the next generation of security and transparency to open finance so that you can get an unmatched combination of phenomenal user experience and best-in-class security. Our goal is to build stronger protections for consumers against fraud, improve transparency, while simplifying the account linking experience. Based on our initial testing, we're seeing these more secure experiences actually lift conversion up to 30%. We're still iterating, but let me give you a sneak peek of what we've been working on. Hundreds of millions of people use Plaid. On average, each of these users has connected to 3 to 5 apps on our network. Our focus is providing a more streamlined, returning user experience with supported institutions. We offer users who opt in with their phone number a faster, more secure linking experience. This streamlined experience integrates security best practices, including passkeys, device authentication, and real-time risk analysis. We've been introducing passkeys to allow users to authenticate using biometrics like Face or Touch ID. To give it a spin, upgrade to our latest mobile SDKs for early access. Verified users can see the financial accounts they've previously linked with Plaid, and then choose which ones to share with an app. This only takes a few clicks. At the same time, we continue to drive the industry forward with greater transparency for users. We've added more context around what data they're sharing and how that data is being used to power the specific app and service. Transparency is critical to building and maintaining trust. The great news is that our focus on building consumer trust is paying off. According to YouGov, a global research and analytics company, Plaid is by far the most trusted way of linking accounts to new services for consumers. Simple, secure, and transparent. A radically improved account linking experience, and it also delivers better conversion. That is what you get out of the box with the Plaid network. Okay, that is cool, but let us show you how we're taking it to the next level. Because of Plaid's expanded platform and network, we have rare opportunities to deliver integrated product experiences that transcend the sum of their parts. A true 1 + 1 = 3 opportunity. Pairing the secure returning user experience I just shared and our identity verification, we've created a game-changing onboarding solution. To tell you more about that, here's Alan.